Morning, everyone. Welcome to Reflections 55. Today is all about abnormal anatomical tissue issues. That's right. Say that 5 times really fast and you're done. So if you have areas of the body that the tissue is malformed, um, possibly, a twist in your colon, your stomach, cramped muscle, an old injury, any of these things can really kind of be undone, and we can speed the healing up immensely with this body geometry. So go ahead and take a look at the sacred geometry. I'm going to go ahead and read the violet flame decree for anatomical realignment and healing. And just put your attention into the geometry and listen to the words. I am the violet flame in action now. Blaze through every cell, organ, and tissue in my body. Transmute all causes of abnormal anatomical positions, known and unknown. I call on divine intelligence to realign, restore, and correct all misplaced tissue, bones, and structures according to my highest divine blueprint. Where there is distortion, bring harmony. Where there is pressure, bring release. Where there is pain, bring peace. I release all trauma, memory, and energetic imprints that create misalignment. I am the resurrection and the life of divine order in my body now. I am alignment. I am healing. I am whole. And so be it. That just makes me want to straighten my back up. Now for the body geometry, folks, let's go ahead and bring our hands together. Align with the tip of your nose. Go ahead and create the V. As soon as the V is created, there is a spiraling vortex of energy that is brought up in front of us. Go ahead and close your eyes and breathe 3 times deeply through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. From here, you're going to want to push out a little bit with your right hand, your fingers down, and create this. We're going to bring it around. And we're simply going to, on the up breath, we're going to move our fingers along our middle finger like this. And on the out breath through the nose, we're bringing it back down. Now, on the in breath, imagine you're breathing in that beautiful source energy and directing it to the area of the body that needs that healing. And on the exhale through the nose, we are feeling the release of pressure from that area. The garbage that needs to go is coming right out. Do this one 4, 5, 6 times a day, as many times as you need, but keep it centralized and focused. Remember, on that in-breath is when you're bringing it up and you want to focus on the area of the body that needs that healing. Give a like, leave a comment, pass this one around. These are really starting to take off now and get pretty powerful. We have a lot still to get through. And if you want me to do one specifically for you, just contact me through the website and give me the details, and I'll throw it right at the top of the lineup and get them done. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.